If your hardwood floors are squeaking after refinishing, you're probably wondering what went wrong and how to fix it fast. So, first off, make sure the wood had enough time to acclimate before you even start installing it. This means letting those wood planks chill in your home's environment for at least a few days so they adjust to the humidity and temperature. When wood doesn't get this time, it can expand or contract later, which leads to squeaks. Next, check that the nails or staples are tight and properly placed. Loose fasteners are a classic cause of that annoying noise. Also, don't skip on cleaning the subfloor thoroughly. Dust or debris can cause unevenness, which makes wood creak when you walk on it. If you're refinishing yourself, try not to apply too thick a layer of finish because that can trap moisture and mess with the wood's natural movement. Another tip is to control your home's humidity with a humidifier or dehumidifier to keep floors stable year-round. If you're hearing squeaks after finishing, sprinkle some baby powder or talcum powder between the planks and work it in to reduce friction that can help quiet things down temporarily. Finally, regular maintenance like tightening loose boards and checking for gaps can save you from bigger headaches later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with hardwood floors squeaking after refinishing is skipping proper acclimation. If the wood isn't adjusted to your home's climate before installation, it will move and squeak afterward. Another common problem is using wrong fasteners or not securing them tightly enough. This lets boards shift underfoot. Lastly, ignoring the subfloor condition causes uneven support and leads to creaking sounds. To fix these issues, always let wood acclimate for at least 72 hours indoors. Use the right nails or staples specific to hardwood flooring, and clean and level your subfloor before laying down any planks. BigHomeProjects.com is a great tool for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to hardwood floors and refinishing projects. Plus, it helps contractors connect with new clients and grow their business without all the hassle.